First, mix together 1½ cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and half teaspoon of nutmeg. Then in a separate bowl, mix together 1/4 a cup of melted butter, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 cup of pumpkin. Now fold your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Now you're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Put your batter into muffin tins, filling them 2/3 of the way. Then put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Then enjoy.